still super hot out here, but the water has cooled it off some, and I think I can make it now. I didn't think I could make it before. Now I think I can. Hey! Hey! I don't know if they can hear me, but she's turning up. Hey, alright. That's what's up, that's what's up. Alright. Come on, guys, vamos. Let's get it going. Let's get it moving. Let's keep it moving. What's happening, bro? You in the shade, huh? That's what's happening. I guess the riverboat ride has now turned into the Chicago Riverwalk Tour. We done went from the riverboat ride to now the Riverwalk Tour. Hey, what's up? Hey. What's up?
What's the YouTube?
Yeah, it's YouTube.
Hey man, I go by the name of Young Bubba, man. Hottest rapper out of Nap right now. Y'all go tap in with my boy. What's your channel?
Dirty Bro Go.
Dirty Bro Go. If you don't know now, you know Dirty Bro Go, because he'll go for sure.
Hey, how they gonna get in contact with you?
Hey, Young Bubba.
What's your Instagram, Facebook,
YUNGBUBA1. Y'all ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm about to click on him real quick. I'll go by Young Bubba though. Y'all probably done see me for this viral ass mugshot like a year ago. So you know, if you know, you know. Just tap into my boy channel though. We lit. We in Chicago right now, but we coming straight out of Naptown. You feel me?
Hit your socials again.
Young Bubba on Instagram, YUNGBUBA1. Young Bubba everywhere. That's YUNGBUBA. Like, just type me in on Google, everything pop up.
All right, check my man out. He got that shit. All right, that's what's up. Dirty Bro Goat. Vamos.
Hey, can I get on camera?
Say, hey, this YouTube.
What?
YouTube.
What's your channel about?
I'm a travel vlogger.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
See, I'm from here.
Oh, you're from here?
Yeah, I'm
So
from
you
here.
can do a travel vlog in your own city?
This is the best city to do it in,
It is,
man.
it is the best city.
It is true.
I brought these guys, we're from Canada.
Okay.
So first time I brought these guys here, love the city. What a beautiful city. My sixth time, I came to play hockey here last year. We're gonna do this tour. I wanna fucking recommend the architectural tour.
Okay.
What do you think? Is it good?
I don't even know if I got all that interaction on tape. Just some interaction, maybe probably shouldn't have been on tape. Maybe that's good that it wasn't on tape. I think the camera cut off, it got too hot. So I think it just cut off.
River doesn't.
All right, starting to heat up again. As you guys can see, the Riverwalk is lit. It is lit out here. I think you can rent these little bitty boats. I think we might do that next time. We might just rent one of these little boats and go out for a ride. Yeah, I think we'll do that.
That's what that other one was. The pastor.
Depends what part you can be in.
There's plenty of places to stop, get something to drink, get something to eat, continue to chill out. Hey, can I get a hey? Hey? Hey, all right. Damn. All right, peace. Smelling like sweet Chiba. dirties. Hey. No? Oh, okay. No. You look good. You look good. Shit. Man, maybe I got bad energy today, man. That's the second time something went wrong. First it was up. I don't know if it's on camera, but dude was talking shit, trying to tell me that I'm not Blackfoot Indian. And now she didn't want to be on camera. I'm like, damn. Hey, hey. My eye is burning from sweat being in my eye. I gotta get away from this music. I gotta get away from this music. Got to hurry up and get away from this music. We're gonna fight the copyright. We're definitely gonna fight the copyright. We might have made it past quick enough. I don't know. I don't know. That's a nice little poodle. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video somewhere around here. Where we going next? We don't know. We just go. Vamos. Have a dirty day. Dirty bro, go. Okay, dirties, we back. Vamos. Damn, we just came down all them stairs. Shit. Hey, hey, that's what's up, that's what's up. Hey, hey, that's what's up, that's what's up. Vamos. We're gonna walk all the way around the riverboat. We just did the riverboat ride. We're gonna walk all the way around the river walk. Say, hey, that's what's up. That's the alcohol, man. Tiny Tap. The liquor guy. Hey. She's like, I'm too old for that. Say hey! Hey! And they also got these like little sprinklers right here. I guess the kids running the little sprinklers, get wet, run back out, have a great time. I'm trying to see if I could walk close. Maybe I might get a little breeze or something. I don't know. I'm not feeling anything. I'm not getting anything. No splash, nothing. Splash the water. Kick the water this way, please. Nope, they wouldn't do it. Are you guys from here? You guys. Oh shit. Guess they don't hear me. Damn. Say hey. 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 The camera keeps cutting off due to overheating. So I don't know how much of this I'm getting, how much I'm missing. I'm not seeing when the camera's cutting off. So I don't know how much I got, what I got, where I got it. I'm totally in the dark. Totally in the dark. Hey. Gonna keep on going around, see what else we can see. Oh, they really chill on this boat ride. They relax. Hey, yeah, they really relax. Okay, that's not the one. I'm glad we didn't get on that one. Shit, it was too chill on that. What's up, bro? Hey, that's what's up, bro. And this is the area where you could just come lay out and relax. It's kind of sunny here, but I guess yeah, maybe you could sunbathe, get suntan. They're figuring things out on the jet ski. They'll figure it out. All right, guys. We pretty much did the entire river walk. I'm gonna be ending this video right around here. Where are we going next? I don't know. Yeah, I'm in this video here. Where we going next? I don't know. We just go. Vamos. Dirty Bro go. Hey! Oh, they too chill too. Oh man. No fun. Yeah. All right. Have a dirty day. Vamos. Dirty Bro go. And we out. Peace.